So hi guys, in this video I am gonna tell you how we can set up GPU for TensorFlow. So open up any browser and search for TensorFlow GPU. Uh, in the search result you will get this website, which is tensorflow.org, and this GPU support. Just click on it. This is the official website of TensorFlow. Here you can see different things for the GPU support. Just scroll down and come to the software requirements. Here you can see different software requirements for TensorFlow GPU. So we have to install three things. First is NVIDIA GPU drivers, then second is CUDA toolkit, and third thing is CUDNN SDK 8.1.0. So let's see one by one. So first we have to open this NVIDIA GPU driver. Just open it in a new browser. It will take some time. So here you can see you can install a driver as per your graphics card. So let's choose the product type. I am having GeForce GTX 1650. Here you can select GeForce 16 series. You can choose as per your graphics card requirements. So, and here you have to choose your operating system. I am having Windows 11. And then in download type you have to select the studio driver instead of game driver. Choose your language and search. So it will search for the optimal driver according to your system. Then here you can see this download suggested me this download, which is 800 MB. I just have to download this. Just click on the download. It will download this driver into your system. It will take some time. Here you can see download button. My download is started. For now I am pausing this because I am having already downloaded this notebook in my local directory. So let's move towards the second thing. The second thing which I have to install is CUDA toolkit. So just click on this CUDA toolkit. It will open. It will take some time to load. So the second thing which we have to install is CUDA toolkit. Just open it in a new tab. Before installing the CUDA toolkit, you have to see which version you have to install or you want to install. For that, here you can see for NVIDIA GPU drivers we require CUDA 11.2. So that's why here we can select CUDA toolkit 11.2.0, which is here. You have to click on it. So it will open the download window. I'm having bit slow internet connection, so it will take some time as per your internet connection. So here you can see two operating system. First is Linux and second is Windows. You can download as per your operating system. I am clicking on Windows. Here you can see you have to select the architecture and then you have to select the version. I am selecting server 2019. Then you have to choose the installer type, whether you have to install it in locally or with the help of network. I am choosing the local installation. Here you can see its download size is 2.9 GB, which is quite high. So click on this. So it will start the download here. Again, I am pausing it because I am having it downloaded on my PC. And after that we have to install the third thing, which is CUDNN SDK 8.1.0. Just open this link in new tab and let's see. Again, it is taking some time. After installing these three things, you will be able to run your machine learning models on your GPU. So the NVIDIA CUDNN is open. You have to just click on download, and then it will prompt for you to log in. You have to log in to this website and you can easily download this CUDNN. Now I am going to show you how you can install these packages in your PC. So just come to your download folder. You have to just double click on it, and then it will show some pop-up to install these packages, and just you have to follow the normal installation. Same you have to do for the CUDA toolkit. And for CUDNN there is another technique which you have to follow. This is how it will tell you to install this package. I am already have installed this, so I'm not gonna install it again. So when you download CUDNN, you have to extract this. I am using 7-zip to extract these files. It will take some time because it is a quite large sized file. So you have to move certain files to your TensorFlow folder in your local directory. So just it is extracting files. So after that you have to open this folder. Then here you can see here are 3 folders. You have to copy each and every files from this bin folder, and you have to go to your C drive, program files, then in program files NVIDIA GPU computing toolkit. Here you can see the CUDA version 11.2. In the bin folder you have to paste all these files. I have already pasted this all sides. Then again come back. Same thing you have to do for the include files and the leave files. You have to copy all these files and go to paste in those folders. So this is how you can install GPU on your Windows 10. I will update all the links in the description.